Hello everyone, today I will explain you everything about strings in C++. I will assure you that by the end of the video, you will be the one who know how to and where to use strings in C++. So guys, please see the video completely without skipping. Okay guys, here are our main objectives in this lecture. The main objectives in this lecture are, what are strings? Yeah, many of you got the doubt. What are these strings? Don't worry, I will explain you everything in this lecture. What is the syntax to use? So in C++, there is everything is based on syntax. So we need to learn the syntax for strings. Okay. How to use them in C++. Okay. You may got, okay, what strings, where to use, how to use in C++. So I will explain that thing also in this lecture. Why should we learn strings? Yeah, there are many doubts. Why should we learn the strings? So don't worry, there are some reasons to learn strings. So I will explain them in this lecture. Also, there are some C features in C++. We will discuss about them in this current lecture. Okay, digital notes. Guys, some of you know, unlike other video tutorials, we provide notes for our lectures to save your valuable time. We provide notes digitally in the form of blogs, that too completely free. You can enter codewithdare.blogspot.com in any browser like this. Yeah, enter. Guys, after entering, you can see like this. To access our blog or digital notes, don't worry, I will place this link in description below. You can directly copy paste in your URL. Okay, here is our blog. You can go to the lectures in our menu. See, there are so many till now. There are 7 lectures. You can go to current lecture. What is this? Current lecture is strings. So click on it. Yeah. After clicking it, you will be accessed to our notes, and you are in the digital notes now. Okay. Now I will also place this link in the description. You can directly copy paste from there. For mobile phone users, you can click the menu. You can see here. I mean, beside the logo, you can see a menu so that you can click there. After that, you can see these 4 titles: home, post, tricky, lecture C++. You can go and move on from there. Okay. Let's guys. Okay. Without time wasting time, let's dive into our main topic. What are strings? Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Please look here. Please be attentive, okay? Guys, strings are easy to learn in C++. Believe me, they are magic. Strings are nothing but sentences. See, like, let's learn coding in C++. You can see here in the slide. Let's learn coding in C++. Here, this is a sentence. So, this is also can be called a string, okay? A string is nothing but a sentence. So, here, let's learn coding in C++ is a string, okay? This string has 25 characters. See, totally, if you count from starting to ending, like L is 1, 2, 3, this count this apostrophe also, and S, and count this white space also, L, like this. If you count like this till plus last end last plus, you can get 25 characters. Guys, in C++, length of the string is defined as the number of characters in it. So, if you count from starting to ending, you can get 25 characteristics. It means the length of the string is 25. Right? What are the characters? Characters are nothing but alphabets or numbers. Okay, alphabets or numbers or any kind of symbols, including white spaces. Like characters are like alphabets or digits, like 1, 2, 3, or any kind of symbols like plus, minus, modulus, at the rate. Also including white spaces like this. Okay. So, guys, in this statement there are 25 characteristics like this. Okay. This is the main thing you can understand. So finally, I can conclude that you got a basic idea about strings and characters currently in this objective. Okay, next we will move on to second objective, syntax to use strings. Guys, you know that syntax is nothing but rules to write code. So now I will explain rules to create strings. Okay, we need a variable to store string. Let that variable be s. Okay, let us consider a variable s to store a string. Now we declare a variable which can store a string, that is nothing but s. Okay, here we will use a keyword string in front of the variable so that it decides yes, variable s can store a string. Okay, s is equal to, let's learn coding in C++. Guys, while storing or assigning a string directly to a variable, we use double quotes like this. Okay, see here, we use double quotes while assigning a string to a variable s. Okay, this is the rule for assigning a string to a variable, and here we used a keyword to declare a variable s that can store string. These are the main syntaxes. Please remember them. Okay, so finally we can say that here s is storing this string or sentence. Sentence, you can call this as sentence also, but better to use string because coding language is better language. Okay, let's dive into the next topic, using strings in C++. Yeah, till now we know what is strings and syntax to create strings, but now the main thing we arrived, so we need to use strings in C++. Okay, guys, you see, strings are magic because we can also access each character or alphabet or symbol with the standard form variable index. See guys, here s is a variable, it is holding a string. Let's learn coding in C++. Okay, we can also access each character, like we can access L or E or this C or G. We can access single character in the standard form, like we should keep variable here and a rectangle, square bracket open, and we should keep index in this, and we will close this square bracket. Okay, wait, what is this index? Guys, don't worry, don't panic. Index is nothing but it indicates the position of character in a string. So index of first character in a string starts with 0, and index of last character ends with length of the string -1. See guys, here you can see first letter is L, so this index is first letter is L, so this index is 0. Next letter is E, that index is 1. So if we go on like this, since the length of the string is 25, we can say that index of last character, which is nothing but plus, this character index is 24 because index of last letter next string is length of the string -1, because first letter starts with 0, right? So automatically last letter will be length of the string -1. So guys, here see the standard index variable, open square bracket, index and close bracket. Here we used that this thing. Here s is the variable and open square bracket, 2 is the index and close the square bracket. Yeah, this is semicolon must be included in syntax. Every statement in C++ must end with the semicolon in int main. Okay, so s of 2, what is the index 2? Count from here, 0, 1, 2. So s of 2 is nothing but character t. Understood guys? Okay, let's go to this character letter 2 is equal to s of 6. So count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me write this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count white space also, 5, 6. So index of sixth index is nothing but L. So letter 2 should be L. Now letter 1 should be T. Okay guys, wait, you can get a dot. What is char here? Char is nothing but a variable data type. It stores only characters, not integers. Okay, you can refer previous lectures to know much understanding about them. Okay guys, now I will execute this code in online compiler. Okay, here is our online compiler. You can choose any online compiler. How to choose, I already said in previous lecture. Please refer them. Here int main, you know guys about the first line, I explained in previous lecture, and second line, this is also explained in the previous lecture. Int main is every compiler start reading our code from int main. So code int main compiler start from int main and it will come into this thing, like first will be the first it will refer into main. Okay, now here, as we said, um, syntax, as per syntax we declared the variable s which can store a string. Here we assign the string. Let's learn coding in C++ to s. See guys, we used double quotes to enclose this string because we are directly assigning this string to a variable. Now see, character letter 1, this is the variable, and it can hold a character, and we assigning s of 2 means index is 2, so this is 0, l is 0, e is 1, t is 2. So letter 1 can hold a character t. Now count for 5. L is 0, e is 1, t is 2, first p is 3, s is 4, and this white space is 5. So letter 2 stores white space. See guys, let's print this letter 1, letter 2. I already explained about the cout and endl in previous lecture. Endl is used to get new line. So guys, let's run the program. See guys, here we get s of letter 1 as t because index of t is 0, 1, 2. We printed the letter 1, so we got t. Here we got nothing. See guys, let me zoom in. First of all, we got letter T, and next we got nothing. This is not nothing guys. This is a white space, a white space. So we cannot see that. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, for our convenience purpose, let us print another. let's print this plus. Plus is the last index, right? Last index is nothing but length of the string minus 1. Length of the string is 25. So the index of plus is 24. Let's print it. S of 24. Okay, come here. Guys, after letter 1, we used endl, so it will come to new line. After letter 2, we should use endl so that it will come again to new line. Okay guys, now the output should be first one be t, after that a new line, new line will be added, and we should get letter 2, that is nothing but white space. After that we will go to new line and see out letter 3. Letter 3 is nothing but plus. So let us check whether our assumption is correct or not. See guys, we got the correct output. First we got t and white space and plus. Okay guys, let's go to our slides. Okay, we use the strings in C++. Let's go to why should we learn strings. Here is a beautiful daily example. I will explain you why should we use, why should we learn strings. Guys, you might have seen many websites asking us for first name and second name while we sign up for those sites. Later they will send us mail without first name. Here they using strings to split your name. Not only this, there are many unnoticed works with strings are happening around us. So there is a need to learn about strings. Okay, features in string. Guys, we also have some standard functions in C++ which manipulates strings and make our code easier. For example, length. Length is nothing but it will get the currently we don't need to you don't need to learn about this thing, but enough I will explain those. Okay, int ans is equal to s dot length. Guys, these functions can be learned in future. Don't worry if you don't understood. Cout s. Guys, here declared an answer, and ans stores the answer returned by the s dot length. S dot length always returns the length of the string, so answer should be 25. Let's run this. Okay, sorry, not s, we should print ans. See guys, length of the string is obtained. Okay guys, next, yeah, our lecture is ending. Don't worry guys, if you are confused, you will know everything in future concepts. Don't give up if you are confused. Don't panic, be with patience, we will learn everything. If you have any doubts, please ask in comment box. Guys, if you love our lectures, please do like our video, click on subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.